So much of the time in the world, we're asked to roll with the punches and just keep moving through situations. And what if it were not only okay to pause and slow down and check in with yourself and other people? What if that's what the premise was? What if there was a celebration of wondering what one's own experience is or what someone else's experience is? If you have clients or people you work with, or you yourself want to know what it's like to really be accompanied, to have someone hold you with warmth, to be curious about your experience, to say, let's not roll with the punches, let's actually see what's going on and see if we can connect with each other and with ourselves. If that's an experience that you think would be supportive of you and the people around you, this retreat is such a totally perfect place to do that. I have experienced such a level of care and support that actually what I feel and what I need in any given moment matters for me, for people that are in my world, for people I support, for people I teach, for colleagues, and that I, by spending time in this work and in this environment, have more bandwidth to really be interested in what's going on for them. It is such a gift to have attention put on how it is we relate to ourselves and to other people, and how we can do that with much more curiosity and openness and possibility of support than I think many of us are used to in this world.